5th October, Thursday, Saint Faustina Kowalska. Christ's Mission. The harvest is plentiful. Today's Gospel presents a beautiful picture of Jesus sending the 72 disciples to every town of Israel to proclaim the kingdom of God. As disciples of Jesus, we are also sent to do the same today. The harvest is as abundant as it was during Jesus' time, and Jesus needs plenty of laborers more than ever. Millions of people in the world today still do not know God or deny His existence. Others know God and yet continue to live in darkness. Some people use God or the name of God for their personal or group agenda. It is the task of the believers to reach out to these people. Every believer has been called and sent for the mission. It does not mean that we travel to another country as missionaries. We can be evangelizers in our villages, neighborhoods, friend circles, and workplaces. Our actions and behavior can be louder than our words. Our life and practice should reflect what we believe. By living with integrity, we can proclaim the joy of living in communion with God. Jesus challenges each one of us today, saying, "I am sending you out like lambs into the midst of wolves." The Lord is calling us to persevere in spreading the gospel in the face of persecution, slander, and violence. It is a challenge for Christians to live upright lives amidst evil, hypocrisy, and corruption. Let us reflect on whether we are living a true witnessing life. Pray and practice. Lord, may the joy and truth of the gospel transform my life so that I may spread your truth and light wherever I go.